Oh, back like I never left. What's up, Buzz? We finally got the new line of JBL speakers starting to come out. I got one of them right here. This is the JBL Clip 5. Now, we're going to do a little first look and what you expect to get from this speaker if you're thinking about getting it. And I'll do a real review like I normally do, like later on in a couple of weeks after I test this out. All right, first things first, what is the price for the new JBL Clip 5? You're going to be looking at $80 for this speaker right here. And also in that $80, you can be able to get it in multiple colors. I think there's like 6 different colors you can get. I'll just put them up here while I'm talking on the sides. But there's all these colors that you can get, and there's some on their website, like on Amazon, even on their website. When you highlight them, it says like temporarily out of stock, like pink. And there's like 3 other colors that you can't get. I don't know if they're coming or if they're just up there. I don't know, but those ones are not available. But mostly all the other 6 colors that you see here are available. What I do like is the new design of the rubber grips in the back of this. One thing that did catch my eye right away, because the old ones used to peel off. Right here, you can see they're slowly starting to peel off on my thing, but not with this one. On my Charge 5, they're all gone. Like, I have no more of the grips, so now it just rolls around. But now that this is more embedded into the speaker, it seems like you're not going to have that problem, so I do like that. But this is the Charge 4, and then the red is the 5, and as you see, I broke mine. I dropped it really bad. I dropped something on top of it. I'm surprised it didn't break this in half, but the front looks exactly the same. If you were to show someone this, I don't think they'll know which one's the Charge 5. The back, of course, as we've seen, with the new grips in the back, and then the little bumpers in the back. And on the side right here, you can see that this is more embedded. Instead of this one protruding out of the button right here, it's more embedded there. So it has a little indent, and then you can hit those play buttons and stuff as well. But other than that, nothing too crazy. Just subtle adjustments, but the same clip that we're pretty much used to. And real quick, I was about to throw this down, but the Clip 5 has a little bit more weight to it than the Clip 4. The Clip 4 seems a little bit more hollow and lighter, and the Clip 5 has a little bit more weight to it. It's not nothing crazy, you know, it's not gonna break your back because it's clipped on your bag with a little bit more weight, but you can tell it does have a little bit more in it than the Clip 4. When it comes to the battery life, you're gonna be looking up to 12 hours of battery life on this. And then also it says that you can get a playtime boost that they added, and it'll give you 3 more hours on top of that. We'll see how long it lasts. I'll try to use it at work and have it on full blast and see how long the battery lasts like that. Because you know, normally all products are always tested at like medium volume and lower to get a higher battery life. So we'll see when I test this out how long it will last for a smaller speaker. When it comes to the waterproofness, you're going to be looking at IP67. That means it's dust and waterproof. This is perfect for this type of speaker that you clip on your bag, and it's going to stay on the outside. If you're hiking or anything, going on longer walks, if it's raining or any of that, you're going to be fine because it is dust and waterproof. IP67 is basically the highest that we are getting from, you know, electronics like speakers and earbuds and stuff. So you're going to be covered in all those different type of environments outside. I'm gonna give you guys like a really quick sound test, and then after that we'll break it down and wrap it up after that. Alright, so that was the sound test, but and definitely you do get a nice little sound off of this speaker, which is why a lot of people love the JBL Clip, especially just for people that are going to be hiking and stuff and they just want to throw it on their bag, don't need too much volume. This is something a lot of people look towards. I'm going to definitely use it over the coming weeks and really get to know it. So in my official review, I'll really let you guys know how I really feel about the sound and whatnot. But I just wanted to give you guys a first little look of the JBL Clip 5. All right, there you have it, Buzz. The JBL Clip 5 just released today. If you guys want to check it out yourself, I'll put the links down in the description below so you guys can click it, check them out, see all the different color options and stuff. I don't know if they're in stores now. I did a video earlier saying yesterday I was reaching out to everyone. They didn't show that they had any coming. And it just seemed like delivery was the only way. I had this delivered. It just got here right when I got off of work. I picked it up, drove to a location, did a sound test, and now we're here recording the video. So like I said, in the coming weeks, I got a real review for you guys later on. So I just got my hands on this and I'm just doing the video for you guys. So if you guys want to check it out, put the link down in the description below. And if you guys like this video, please leave a like, a comment, subscribe, and definitely subscribe so you can guys see my full review later on. Everyone be safe out there. My name is Rodney. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.